Let's see if this string is going to be right. This is easy to hold it. And then you put your pointer finger under each string. Under this one. And then when you get like this, let your thumbs let go. And when you get like this, your thumbs go all the way this under. And bring this string over. This is kind of messy. Like this. And then your thumbs go over and under. Pinkies let go. And then pinky go over, under, and then you let go of your thumbs. You got the cat whiskers. Meow meow.